Jack. Jack sells dog toys online. Jack has been plagued by inaccurate inventory records that lead to longer processing times, slowing his response to demand, and costing him sales. So Jack sought out on a quest to find a robust inventory management system. What he found was an all-in-one turnkey solution, Accounting Suite. The easy-to-use, scalable business software for startups, entrepreneurs, and growing companies to manage their finances and day-to-day operations. What makes Accounting Suite great? For one, it comes with everything, and the kitchen sink. Our platform comes inclusive with features your business needs without the additional costs. First, it is cloud-based, so you can access your data whenever you need it and wherever you are. It includes inventory management because every product counts. Our cloud banking integration connects to more than 9,000 bank and credit card institutions, downloading your transactions automatically so that you'll spend less time on data entry and have a better overall picture of your company's health. The integrated project and time tracking saves you time. The sales and purchase order management tracks your inventory levels, orders, sales, and deliveries from anywhere at any time to avoid product outages and lost sales. The best part, Accounting Suite easily scales as your business grows. Jack got Accounting Suite, and his business is now flourishing. Yours can too. Click below to see how you can have easy, secure access to your company's information from anywhere on the planet.